Let's take a look now at some result examples. In the result summary, there's 5 areas that we're going to look at. The test results, which could be positive, negative, or no significant change. The effect size, which is the percentage of increase or decrease in organic sessions during the life of the test. The absolute effect, which is the number of increase or decrease in sessions during the life of the test. The confidence level, how confident are we in the test? Anything over 95% or higher indicates that we are confident in the test and that we can have a significant result, either positive or negative. Anything under 95 would indicate that it's not a significant result, no significant change. And then duration, so how long did the test run? This graph below illustrates what actually happened during the test. The before period, so before launched, shows the real traffic and the predicted traffic and how they interact. In an ideal world, we want the real traffic and the predicted traffic, the model's traffic, to intersect. So we want the blue line and the orange lines to be as exact as possible. And then after the launch date, we want the orange line and the blue line to be as far away as possible, either positively or negatively. So in this case, the orange line is consistently over, that indicates positive. If the orange line was consistently under, it would be negative. If there was some type of mix back and forth, that would generally indicate something that would be no significant change. Let's take a look at some other examples of graphs. You can see here that in the before launch period, the real traffic and predicted traffic are even closer. This is the ideal. This is ideally how we want the test to look before launch. After launch, this ended up being a no significant change, which indicates that the test itself didn't have any significance in traffic. But still, this model is a good model, the ideal. Then we have the lowest type of model, a model where the orange and the blue don't really match up at all. This often is going to indicate also in a no significant change in this case, but even if it was consistent, it'd be hard to trust the model itself. In closing out, thank you for joining us today. I hope this was educational and very helpful. As a final takeaway, SEOs and marketers look for solutions to make SEO more measurable. There's teams who do split testing manually, but they struggle to get the job done effectively and efficiently. Enter SplitSignal. SplitSignal exists to alleviate those struggles and to prove to the world that you and your team are the SEO heroes you know yourselves to be. Take credit.